Well, I can see the attendance has plummeted again. I just need one more minute. Okay. Ayush, roll number 6. Your turn.
Ma'am, 2 minutes.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have to join with PC.
Yes, yes, okay, no problem.
Ma'am, can I present later? Ma'am, my Wi-Fi not connecting to my PC.
Try connecting it. You have to present it today. I cannot just keep on postponing everyone's. 24, Ratika.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritika, your mic is off. I can't hear you.
Ma'am, is that screen sharing?
Yes, the screen sharing is on. Go ahead.
Ma'am, wait a second. Just how did Hitler rise to power? Hitler was born in Austria in 1889. He earned many medals for bravery in the First World War. The German defeat horrified him. He joined the German Workers' Party and renamed it the National Socialist German Workers' Party. This later came to be known as the Nazi Party. In 1923, Hitler planned to seize control of Bavaria but failed. Nazism became a mass movement only during the Great Depression. The Nazi propaganda stirred hopes of a better future. As Hitler was a powerful and effective speaker, he promised the people a strong nation where all would get employed. In 1932, the Nazi Party had become the largest party with 37% votes. His politics included the significant rituals and spectacle in mass mobilization. Nazi propaganda skillfully projected Hitler as a messiah, a savior. Quiz time. Which of the given parties came to be known as the Nazi Party? Germ- Option A, German Workers' Party. Option B, Socialist Democratic Party. Option C, National Socialist German Workers' Party. Option D, Socialist Party.
C.
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 Right answer. Thank you.
Were you aware that the time for presentation is 5 to 10 minutes?
Ma'am?
Are you aware that the time for presentation, the time allotted for presentation is from 5 to 10 minutes? It means it has to be minimum of 5 minute presentation, not just a two PPT presentation. And that is just how Hitler rose to power. I don't know, you will not be getting good marks for this presentation. Just open your camera, let's get done with your oral test. Fine. What was the name of the German parliament? You have to unmute your mic so that I can hear something.
No, I don't know.
What was Nazi cult of motherhood? Keep your mic on mute while I'm taking your test. You don't need to unmute it again and again. Yes.
No, I don't know.
What was the cause of Napoleon's rise? How did Napoleon become the dictator in France? Whose position did he take? Keep your camera on while I'm taking the test.
Ma'am, it is on.
How can you improve the quality of population?
Ma'am, population.
Yes. No problem, Nilay, it's all right. Yes. How can you improve quality of population?
Ma'am, health and Education.
Okay. And what is the capital of Punjab?
Haryana.
Where will I find montane forest? Just give me the name of any one state.
Mountain forest. Ma'am, Assam. Kerala.
मुझे एक बात बताओ, कोई सा भी चैप्टर, कोई सा भी पोर्शन पढ़ के बैठी हो तुम, मैं उसी में से फिर क्वेश्चन करूंगी. Because right now you have not given me a single correct answer and you're not going good path in oral test. कोई सा भी एक चैप्टर जो ढंग से पढ़ा है, I'll ask questions from that only. Pick any chapter, इतने सारे जितने पढ़े हैं उसमें से.
Ma'am, Nazi. And
Which one?
Ma'am, Nazi.
I can't hear you. Can you please write that in the chat box? Nazism. I asked you questions from Nazism. You're not able to answer that. When did the Great Depression happen?
Ma'am, it happened in Ma'am 1981.
We're done with your test. Thank you. Moving ahead. Let me see. This one is done. Okay. Pujit, her number 18.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am. Om Shri Sai Ram. Why World War I was fought? First of all, it was started with the War of Austrian Empire or Austria-Hungary War with Serbia. When Austria-Hungary declared the war on Serbia, the Russia got involved to defend Serbia. Then Germany saw that Russia was mobilizing. Then Germany declared the war on Russia. Then France went against Germany because they were in the power. Then Germany declared, sorry, France went against Germany and Austria-Hungary. Germany attacked France by marching through Belgium, pulling Britain into the war. Then Japan entered into...
Could just wait for a minute? Your screen sharing does not seem to be moving. Your PowerPoint presentation is not moving. Just take a look at that first.
Yes, ma'am.
Just restart your presentation. Maybe there is some error in network. Just restart your presentation.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now is it visible?
I can see that you are presenting, but I cannot see your picture. Yes, I can. Just go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Why World War I was fought? First of all, it was started with the War of Austria-Hungary War with the
Again, Pujit, sorry, I have to interrupt you again. Your slideshow is not happening. I can just see your title slide.
yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can I join my phone?
Yes, what?
Ma'am, can I join my phone?
Yeah, no problem.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, just wait 2 minutes.
Yeah, sure. Take your time. The meantime, while he is joining, Pujit, your device is echoing. You'll have to mute mic of one device, and in the meantime, he is starting presentation. You will not be given marks until I have your presentation in my Google Drive. I've only received presentation of Rama and Swarnim. बाकी जिन लोगों के प्रेजेंटेशन हो गए हैं, अगर वो लोग प्रेजेंटेशन सबमिट नहीं करेंगे, you will not be given marks. I need a proof that you made a
मैंने भी कर दिया था.
I
Ma'am,
don't see it in the presentations folder here.
ma'am,
Yes,
I have posted the
नकल.
group one, ma'am, that we made in a group.
वो तो ठीक है. तुम लोगों के बाकी जो लोगों के पर्सनल प्रेजेंटेशंस हो गए हैं, वेयर आर दे?
मैंने पहले भेजा था. मैं आपने बोला था कि मेरा आ गया आपके पास.
That time I saw that maybe somebody deleted your presentation. If somebody is doing that, don't do that. You will not be
Ma'am,
given this kind of relaxation if you do these kind of things. क्या चाहते हो तुम लोग? मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. Just send me your presentation on email. तुम लोग चाहते नहीं हो कि तुम्हारे लिए कुछ भी conveniently हो जाए. You'll have to keep running from here and there. और मुझे साफ दिख रहा है कि ये काम किसने किया है. Just don't want to take the name right now.
ma'am, is the screen visible?
Yes, your screen is visible. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. Why World War I was fought? First of all, it was started with the War of Austrian Empire or Austria-Hungary Empire war with Serbia. When Austria-Hungary declared the war with Serbia, the Russia got involved to defend Serbia. Then Germany thought that Russia was mobilizing. Then Germany declared the war on Russia. Then France went against Germany and Austria-Hungary Empire. Germany attacked France by marching through Belgium, pulling Britain into the war. Then Japan entered into the war, later Italy and USA. World War I. In early 20th century, the Germany was a powerful empire which fought the World War I in 1914 to 1918. with Austrian Empire as central powers against Allied powers. All the countries joined the war hoping to gain victory. In November 1918, war ended by the victory of Allied powers defeating Central powers. This was the map of the triple entente or Allied powers, Central powers, and neutrals in the Germany in the World War I. These countries are triple entente or Allied powers. These are these and Italy was Central powers. This was the map before the World War I. Now, birth of Weimar Republic. When the Germany defeated by Allied powers, German Empire abdicated. Emperor abdicated. It gave a chance to the parliamentary parties to recast German polity. Then a national assembly met at Weimar and formed Weimar Republic. On the basis of equal and universal votes were casted by all adults, including women. Treaty of Versailles. The Weimar Republic was not successful because they were forced to accept that they were defeated at World War I. There was a treaty between Germany and Allies. Germany lost its overseas colonies. Its overseas colonies, 13% of its territories, and 75% iron and 26% coal. The Allied power demilitarized Germany to weaken Germany's power. A war guild was signed by Germany was forced to pay €6 billion. Allied power were occupied Rhineland for much of 1916. This is the map. This is the map of Germany after the war. Now, effects of war and economic crisis. Germany was totally broken after World War I. Germany fought the war largely on loans and had to repay the money in gold. Therefore, the gold became a scarce resource. Once Germany refused to pay and the French occupied this leading industrial area route to claim their gold. Then Germany started printing paper currency recklessly, and then the value of German money fell down in December. $1 was equals to so much of German euros. Then USA introduced DOS plan, which helped the Germany little bit. From 1924 to 1928, Germany was stable, but in 1929, the Wall Street Exchange was crashed. Due to the fear of fall in price, people tried to sell their shares. On 24th October, 13 million shares were sold. From 1929 to 1932, the USA national income was fell by half. Factories were shut down. The farmers were badly hit. The Germany was in worse condition. By 1932, production from industries reduced to 40%. Approximately 6 million people lost their jobs and were paid low wages. Many youth became criminals. All of the people were too frightened. The working people and pensionaries saw their diminishing savings after lost currency value. The years of depression. From 1924 to 1932 to 1928, the retailer shopkeepers suffered a lot since their businesses got ruined. The Germany was too hurted from the economic crisis. All citizens were in suffering from the depression and economic crisis. Children were hungry and all were very disappointed. From all the crisis and all, the Weimar Republic had some defects which forced to become unstable and vulnerable. One defect was Article 48, which gave the president the power to impose emergency. The Weimar Republic saw 20 different cabinets lasting on average of 239 days, and a liberal use of Article 48. But the crisis could not be managed. People lost their confidence in the democratic parliamentary system, and then the Hitler slowly came to the power. Some facts about World War I and Weimar Republic. The, the name of German parliament was Reichstag. In the war, once Germany had occupied France and Belgium, the people who support Weimar Republic, mainly social scientists, Catholics, and Democrats, were called as November criminals. When the government was printing paper currency, the normal citizen had to take a cart-loaded bag of currency to buy a bread. Wall Street Exchange is the world's biggest exchange, located in the USA. At the time of depression, people used to sleep online because they became homeless. Many children also took part in World War I. Question. World War I was fought in 1932 to 1936, 1914 to 1918, 1895 to 1899, or 1904 and 1910.
1914 to 1918.
Yep, correct answer. Thank you.
Okay, fine. Time for your test. Yes, so by which treaty was Weimar Republic established?
Ma'am?
Weimar Republic was established because of a treaty. What was the name of that treaty?
Ma'am, Treaty of Versailles.
Treaty of Versailles. Okay. And was Germany a republic before the end of World War One?
No, ma'am.
Okay. And now tell me, are there equal rights for women in Saudi Arabia? True or false?
False.
False. Okay. Name any two non-agricultural economic activities that can happen in rural India.
Ma'am, dairy and fishing or teaching.
Okay. And which is the city through which the Indian Standard Time meridian passes through?
Mirzapur.
Thank God, somebody knows. And what is the capital of Haryana?
Chandigarh.
Okay, good job, thank you. And with that, we will conclude our classes till the Diwali vacations. I hope all of you stay safe during this Diwali. Please do not lax into the COVID restrictions. It is still out here. I hope all of you have a safe and enjoyable Diwali. We will continue this evaluation after Diwali vacations. All the best, good luck, happy holidays to all of you. Thank
Ma'am,
you. Yes.
ma'am, I again copy it, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see?
I can't hear you, beta. Can you please repeat what you just said?
Ma'am, ma'am, I again copy the presentation, ma'am.
You
Ma'am,
again
can you
copied the
see?
presentation. Okay, you uploaded the presentations. You do have class tomorrow as well, right? I
Yes,
just
ma'am.
remembered.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
मैम
ma'am.
12 तारीख से है मैम वेकेशन।
मुझे लगा तुम लोगों की आज आखिरी क्लास है because I forgot that हम लोगों की एक additional class add हो गई है. All right, I'll repeat my message in the next class as well. Doesn't matter. So we'll continue tomorrow as well. Let's pick up some other people, and then we will
मैम
have.
आप नाम बता दो।
क्या चीज? Yes, your file has been uploaded, and I hope nobody deletes it this time. And
मैम पहले
everybody.
किसने किया था?
किस बारे में बेटा? आई कुड नॉट फाइंड इट आउट राइट नाउ. मुझे उसके अंदर ना देखना पड़ेगा that who did that. I have my suspicions, but I will not say anything about without proof. All right, so we'll continue this tomorrow. Thank you and Saira.
Saira ma'am.
Ma'am, thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Sairam, thank you.